We've all experienced those frustrating moments when our internet connection slows down, causing web pages to take ages to load and online games to lag. But fear not. In this video, we'll share some expert tips and tricks to turbocharge your internet speed on your PC. The first way to speed up your internet is by changing the preferred band. To do this, click the Windows logo, then type Control Panel. Then click the Network and Sharing Center. Click the Change Adapter Settings. Right-click the router you are using, and then click Properties. Click Configure. Go to the Advanced tab. Select the preferred band. Now change the value to 3. To save the change, click OK. The second way to make your internet faster is by changing the roaming aggressiveness. To do this, just like the first one, right-click your router, click Properties, click Configure, go to the Advanced tab, select the roaming aggressiveness, change the value to highest, and click OK. If your internet's still lagging, follow the next step. This time we will boost internet speed with Command Prompt. Type CMD in Windows search bar and right-click on the Command Prompt option. Now select Run as Administrator from the context menu and confirm the dialog to open Command Prompt with administrator rights. Write the command ipconfig/release and hit Enter, and some large columns of text will appear. Here, write ipconfig/renew and hit Enter again. This should reset your IP address and solve any internet slowdowns that could be happening due to an IP address issue. Do keep in mind that it is normal to be reassigned the same IP address as before. The point here is to disconnect and create a new connection. If you already follow this far and your internet's still slow, consider use a wired connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, switching to a wired Ethernet connection can often provide a more stable and faster internet connection. Try to limit the bandwidth usage. If you have multiple devices connected to your network, consider using Quality of Service (QoS) settings on your router to prioritize certain devices or applications. This can help ensure that bandwidth is allocated efficiently. If you already try all of that tricks and still feel your internet slow, the last thing you can do is to restart your modem and router. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary issues and improve your internet speed. Turn off your modem and router, wait for a minute, and then turn them back on. And for those who are watching till the end of the video, I'm going to show a bonus tricks to increase your internet speed. Go to Settings. Click the Windows Update. Then Advanced Options. Select the Delivery Optimization. Turn off the Allow downloads from other PCs. After that, go to the Advanced option and change all the bandwidth limit to 5%. That's all for today's video. I hope this video useful for all of you, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.